Today I'm going to talk to you about Kahoot. This is a Kahoot that teachers and students can use. You can host Kahoots live in your classroom or through video conferencing. One of my favorite features is that I can assign a Kahoot through Google Classroom so students can do it at a later time. Kahoot offers teacher-created quizzes that you can either use or modify to your liking. I can search the library, I can filter through grade levels and subject areas. So if I want to do science and earth sciences and I want to do second grade, I can apply those filters and I can see all of my choices. So I'm going to come down, I'm going to click on one that says animal habitats. I can then look through all of the questions and the answers just to make sure they're to my liking. I can then assign it. I can even put the question timer on or off. I can randomize the answer order, especially if I have children sitting next to each other. I can star it and add it to my library under my favorites. I can also edit and duplicate it to edit it, and then I can look at each individual question. I can change how many points that the question's worth, the time limit for each question, and what kind of question I want, true or false, quiz. They can type their answer. I can make it a puzzle. They can brainstorm all different types of choices. If I want to do multi-select for answers, I can do that here as well. I can preview it and see what it's like for my students. When I go back into edit, I'm going to save it. I can share it with others. I can play it. I can test it out. Another great thing is when I click on the Kahoot itself, I can click the three dots. I can add it to a course. So I can add all of the different Kahoots about habitats into one folder. I can also share the Kahoots to other teachers within my school. They can play it individually, or you can even let them play it as teams. I have the free version. They also offer some paid versions, and they're not too badly priced, but it's based on whatever you want to use Kahoot for and how often you want to create your own or just use the ones created for you.